Hello friends, welcome once again to Preeti's Kitchen. For every rice lover, biryani, veg pulao, fried rice, all these names are very familiar. They look similar also. But one thing every foodie should know is that they are not same. They are very different from each other based on their preparation techniques. So today I am here with a fried rice recipe in an Indian style. So let's get started. For making fried rice, I have taken 1 cup of basmati rice, soaked it in water for 20 minutes. Now we have to partially cook this rice in boiling water. Add about 1 tablespoon of salt, about 1 tablespoon of oil. Give it a mix. Squeeze half a lemon into it. This gives a very bright and white color to our rice. And allow it to cook up to 70%. We don't have to cook it completely. Only up to 70% we have to cook. Just when the rice breaks into two, it means that the rice is ready for our dish. So now we have to drain this extra water. After draining the water, immediately transfer this rice into a plate and allow it to cool. You can even refrigerate this rice and use it for the next day. Take a thick bottom frying pan. Add about 2 tablespoons of ghee and 2 tablespoons of oil into it. Combination of ghee and oil gives correct texture to our fried rice. When the ghee melts, add the dry spices like fennel seeds, cumin seeds, cardamom, cloves, cinnamon stick and some black pepper. Add 1 bay leaf. It gives a very good flavor to the fried rice. Add some ginger garlic paste, about 1 tablespoon. Add a handful of cashew nuts. Roast it well. Now add some 2 to 3 green chilies chopped. About 1 large sized onion chopped. Saute it on medium to high flame till the onion becomes translucent. Now you can add in the veggies like some carrot, some French beans, some green peas, some capsicum, some cauliflower and some mushrooms. This is completely optional. I like mushrooms, that's why I am adding. You can skip this. Some paneer pieces. I have some cabbage chopped. Now into this, I have to add all these veggies. We have to fry these vegetables on medium to high flame. And partially we have to cook these veggies. We don't have to overcook and make it mushy. Just they should be little crispy and partially cooked. So paneer we will add later. Mix all these veggies together. Add in some salt to taste. Just cook it for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, you can see the veggies are partially done. Now add in about 1 chopped tomato. Some garam masala, about 1/4 teaspoon. This is completely optional, but it gives a good flavor to our fried rice. Now you can add in the paneer pieces. Now here I will replace my steel spoon with wooden spatula because this will prevent the rice from breaking while sorting. Now add in our rice. Mix it gently. Here if you are using a steel spoon, the rice will be broken and our fried rice will not get the correct and perfect texture. After a gentle mixing, close it with a lid and let it cook for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, you can see the grains are still separate. Our rice is well cooked. Even the veggies are also looking perfect. So the rice is ready. Now we have to give a final touch with some coriander leaves. You can even add some sweet corns, some spring onions. I am adding here some cabbage leaves. Now squeeze about 1 tablespoon of lemon juice into this. If you want Chinese preparation, you can add vinegar, soya sauce, red chili sauce and tomato sauce into this, and your Chinese fried rice will be ready. This I have made in an Indian style. Many of the times we get confused in between biryani, fried rice and pulao. So the major difference lays in the cooking techniques only. Biryani is cooked on a very low flame by layer method, where rice and veggies are placed layer by layer and cooked on a very low flame. Whereas in fried rice, the rice and the veggies, they are mixed together and they are cooked on medium to high flame. Whereas in pulao, it is cooked by absorption method, that is, the raw rice and the veggies are cooked in water or stock and the rice absorbs all the water used in cooking. So it is called absorption method and the product or the recipe is called as pulao. So now onwards, whenever you go to a restaurant, never get confused in between biryani, fried rice and pulao. Hope you enjoyed this video. Like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.